Hi guys, in today's video I'll be unboxing the Beats Powerbeat. This is a Bluetooth wireless headphone, and they got 15-hour battery life, and a quick charge can go for like 3 hours, I think 5 minutes. So here we go. So in the box, this is the headphone right here. In the box you got the earpiece for you to replace this thing if you want to use the small one or the big one, depend on your ear. And you got the lightning cable charger. Say 5-minute charge equal 1 hour play. So it come with the manual, and with the sticker. And also come with the bag for it. So on the headphone you got the volume adjusting on one side and the power button this side. Actually this is the talk button. The power button is right here, I think. Yep. I'm gonna take it out, see how long it is. And I just pull it out. Yep. So this will go loop around your ear, and the wire will go in the back. You got the left and the right. So on the right one is you got the talk button, your volume up and down. And on the left one you got the power button up here.